If you're looking for house and lot for sale dito sa Dasmariñas, Cavite, especially dito sa Metro Gate, Dasmariñas, ito yung isa sa pre-selling units na ini-offer namin dito. Tara, pasukin natin. Yung minimum lot area na available na lot size dito is 120 square meters, and then for the floor area is 165 square meters. Meron tayo ditong pedestrian gate, and then yun yung ating vehicular carport gate. And pagpasok natin, meron tayo dito mga pocket gardens or inside gardens. Ito yung ating carport area. So sa carport area natin is naka-pebble type flooring tayo. And this is our service area. Ito naman yung back portion ng unit. This is roughly 2 meters wide. And then doon sa kabuuan ng property na 120 square meters is meron tayong fence and gate. And dito sa area na to, ito yung pwede mong mag-serve as your lanay and may open space ka pa or extra space ka pa na pwede mong i-utilize as additional garden o kaya naman extended kitchen. Tara naman sa loob. Welcome naman sa loob ng ating unit. Naka-steel door tayo dito and meron tayo dito mga lock set. Ito yung magsaserve mo as your living or receiving area. And ito naman yung magsaserve mo as your dining area since meron tayo ditong sliding door going to our lanay. And tingnan nyo naman, ang ganda na accent ng ating ceiling. For our kitchen area naman, this is complete set of fixtures with overhead and under-counter modular cabinets. And meron pa tayo dito, pantry cabinets with stainless pull-out. And naka-quartz countertop tayo dito with goose faucet. This is our ground floor bedroom, complete set of fixtures with cabinet na pwede mo siyang gamitin as your elderly room o kaya naman pwede mo siyang gamitin as your home office. And this is our ground floor toilet and bath. Dito sa ground floor na complete set of fixtures, floor to ceiling tiles, and nakaabang ito for single point water heater. For our second floor, meron tayo ditong total of 2 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. This is our master's bedroom, kaya mag-fit dito kahit queen size bed. And meron tayo dito mga cabinets tulad nito, floor to ceiling cabinets, and as well as our vanity area. Ito naman yung ating master's toilet and bath, complete set of fixtures pa rin, may mga wall niche tayo, floor to ceiling tiles, and meron tayo ditong freestanding bathtub, and meron pa tayo ditong glass shower enclosure. And this is our bedroom number 2 na meron ding cabinets and also vanity area. Meron din ditong ensuite toilet and bath, complete set of fixtures pa, and with glass shower enclosure. And para sa last part ng ating unit is ito yung ating balcony. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng pre-selling house and lot for sale dito sa Metro Gate, Dasmariñas or dito sa Dasmariñas, Cavite, nandyan sa description box yung full YouTube house tour, yung full details at ang aming contact numbers. Thank you for watching!